Mabuhay, Atomians! SRM Helen Ercilia at your service. So let's make a little activity. We will divide the group into two. So this will be the dividing line. This will be Group A, and this will be Group B. If I do this with my hand, you say, hep, hep, and Group B will answer, hooray. Okay, so let's see who is the loudest. All right. Hindi ba? Ulitin natin. Okay. God is good. And all the time? Yes. Truly, God is so good. Because He brought me to the very place where I was first abducted and kidnapped to do the atomy business. At the start, I was not really interested to do the atomy business. Because when atomy was introduced to me, I was then a director and a world team member of another international U.S. company for 20 years. So I told myself, that will be the last company na sasalihan ko. No? And so, even if I was mesmerized with the skincare products of Atomy, because at that time, I had some black spots on my face na gusto kong matanggal. So, even with the insistent and continuous invitation of my sponsors, the late Ate Lilia, my niece Jeanette Campos, and my former high school teacher, Ma'am Lourdes, lagi nila akong iniimbita sa Atomy seminar. Pero ayaw ko talagang dumalo, no? Kasi sabi ko, napagod na ako. I was burned out sa kakokota ng mga iba't ibang companies na nasalihan ko. No? So one time, when I came up to Baguio, alam niyo si Ma'am Lourdes, napakatyaga niya. Lagi kaming nagmi-meet up sa van station. Dinadalhan ako ng mga skincare products na kailangan ko. Bumibili lang talaga ako ng mga products, not even minding the PVs. Okay? So, sabi niya sa akin, pupuntahan daw ako sa San Jose para i-introduce yung Atomy. Pero I do not like to touch my downlines then. Ayaw ko silang ma-defocus. So I always make excuses and make alibis. Until one time, when I came up to Baguio again, I went to La Trinidad to visit Ma'am Lilia and Jeanette and family. I had a lipstick order, but they don't have the color na gusto ko. Sabi nila, available daw sa Baguio Cap Center. Doon daw namin kukunin. Pero ayaw ko ngang tumungtong sa Atomy Center because I was sure na pagpunta ko doon, I will again be convinced to do the business, which I did not like. And so sabi ko, nagpaalam ako, uuwi na lang ako. Next time ko na lang kukunin yung aking order. Sabi nila, sige, ihatid ka namin sa van station. So isinakay nila ako sa van station, but instead of bringing me to the van station, dinala ako sa Baguio Cap Center. Di ba? And then, pinaupo ako, they asked Sir Ren to show me the plan na hindi ko gaanong pinakinggan. No? Kasi, I had a second thought na talagang ayaw ko talagang sumali sa Atomy business. So, I tell you, Atomians, salamat na lang sa Diyos kasi kung hindi ako napilit at dinala at kinidnap na pumunta sa Baguio Cap Center, I should not be a Sharon Rose Master ngayon. No? So, Atomians, kidnapping and abduction are authorized in Atomy. They are legitimate strategies to bring especially the network leaders into the Atomy fold and to the Atomy family. Okay? So at this juncture, I am tasked to discuss with you today the most exciting part of our Success Academy Atomy's marketing plan. So please lend me your ears and your hearts as well. Okay. Sorry. Ayan. When I read this in one of the corners of Baguio Cap Center, sabi ko, Atomy is making the history of network marketing. This caught my attention and it awakened my curiosity. Bakit? Ano ang meron sa Atomy na wala sa mga ibang networking na nasalihan ko? This opened my mind. A well-balanced and righteous compensation plan is the first step to fulfilling Atomy's management objective of ensuring everyone's success. Saan ka nakakita ng company na ang hangarin is for the success of all its members? Only here in Atomy. O see? Ayan. Ay, okay. Okay. So, this brings us to the features and strengths of Atomy business. Number 1 feature is binary. 2 legs. Very simple but very powerful. Diba? Kasi dalawang legs lang. Dalawang grupo lang ang ating tutulungan. And second, no registration fee, no monthly maintenance fee, and no quota. Talaga? Parang hindi ka paniwala because lahat ng kumpanya na nasalihan ko, lahat ay merong package, lahat merong quota. Pero dito sa Atomy, wala lahat ang mga yan. Okay? And number 3, unlimited accumulation. Yan. Hindi mag-e-expire ang inyong point value until it reaches the required PVs para mag-commission pairing tayo. Saan ka pa? Atomy na. No? And 4th, infinite levels, unlimited accumulation of downlines. Doon sa other companies, merong leveling system sila. Na habang lumalayo ang iyong mga downlines, lumiliit ang kita. And it will come to a point na kung saan may level na wala ka nang kikitain sa kanila. Di ba? But here in Atomy, such is not the case. And number 5, global one marketing. Sa ibang networking na nasalihan ko, I also have downlines in other countries. Kaya lang, for me to benefit sa production ng mga downlines ko sa ibang bansa, kailangan akong mag-register sa kanilang bansa. But here in Atomy, once you are registered in one country, you are registered to all the countries na kung saan meron ang Atomy. Di ba? Napakaganda. And 6, income ceiling. Kaya lagi nyo naririnig sa mga Atomians, see you at the top. It does not matter where you are, kung ikaw ay nauna o nahuli na mag-join sa Atomy, as long as you are very passionate in doing the business, you are very sincere in helping your downlines, pwede mong lampasan si sponsor. Di ba? Okay, yun ang kagandahan dito sa Atomy. Yan. Yan. So, sabi ko kanina, we are present in more or less 27 global branches and counting. Time will come when Atomy will be monopolizing the world over and Atomy will become number 1. Palakpakan po natin ang ating company. Yan. Atomy will become a household name all over the world. Yan. So paano tayo maging miyembro sa napakagandang kumpanya na ito? Here in Atomy, you need a person of reference, a sponsor who is supposed to guide you and help you and connect you to Atomy. Ano ang mga requirements? Napakadali lang naman po. Yan. Kailangan natin ang TIN and a valid ID or a valid ID na merong TIN. And you must be 18 years old and above. Bakit naman? because Atomy is a very legitimate company. And you know what? Isa tayo sa highest paying sa income tax ng ating bansa. So we are helping in the country's economy. Palakpakan natin ulit si Atomy. Ayan. Now, there are two types of membership sa Atomy. We have the consumer and the distributor. Both requires sponsor. Laging meron kang sponsor dito. Now, what's the difference? Pag consumer ka, hindi ka makaka-earn ng commission. But you are, you are entitled of discounts. Pag distributor ka, you can earn commissions upon validation of your account. However, pag consumer ka at gusto mong ma-convert into business partner, madali lang naman po. Anytime, you can convert your account from consumer to a business partner. Yan. Lahat tayo ay merong paborito or suki na tindahan or kaya marts. Di ba? Saan kayo nag-grocery? Di ba? Now, how does this differs kung papalitan natin ang ating mark into Atomy? Sa mark natin, doon puro gastos, puro palabas ang pera. But in Atomy, eto na ngayon. Eto, lahat ng iyong binibili doon ay inyong pagkakakitaan later on. Di ba? Now, paano yan? So first, you become a consumer. Kailangan i-try mo ang mga product ng Atomy before you can introduce it to others. Please, Atomians, huwag po kayong magbebenta ng produkto na hindi pa ninyo nasusubukan. Scam daw po yun. Ha? Okay. Then, you become an auto-consumer and later on, when you change your brands, you now become a business member. And na pwede mo nang kumita ng passive income. Ayan. So like in here, paano ka kumita dito sa Atomy? We have the so-called PV or point value. Lahat ng mga products na meron si Atomy bears with them point value. Like here, itong absolute cell active natin, which is our number one product na merong award. It's only 11,000 plus, but it bears with them 130,000 point value. Yung favorite na evening care set natin is only 1,900, but it already bears with them 16,500 point value. The same with the snow set and the fame. Pag binili mo lahat itong set na to, more or less 280,000 point value na yan. So, ayan. Now, we have conditions for achieving membership level, requirements for recognition of commission and mastership. You are a member if you have accumulated at least 30,000 PV, agent, 300,000 PV, special agent, kung 700,000 PV, a dealer if you have accumulated 1.5 million PV, and 2.4 PV, you are now an exclusive distributor. Mamaya po, papaliwanag ko ano ang importansya yung mga yan. However, to maintain your account, kailangan mo bumili ng at least one product. Kahit yung pinakamurang produkto lang ang bilhin mo, sa loob ng isang taon, your account is active. Ayan. So, there are 4 types of commissions here in Atomy. The General Commission, the Mastership Commission, Mastership Promotion, and the Center Commission. I will be dwelling more on the 3 because the Center Commission, that is exclusive to center heads alone. And not everybody can become a center. These centers are aimed to help Atomians build and grow their own business. Now, we have the General Commission. The accumulation period is from Wednesday to Tuesday. And the payout will be every Tuesday of the following week. Kaya every Tuesday, masasaya ang mga Atomians kasi commission day yan. Now, paano mag-accumulate ng PV at paano kikita dito sa Atomy? Once you have accumulated 10,000 point value, and na-share mo ito sa mga kaibigan mo, sa mga kabarkada mo, sa mga relatives mo, and they have accumulated 300,000 PV on the left and 300,000 PV on the right, you earn approximately 800 pesos. Maliit? Malaki? Maliit. In the government service, ang pinaka-minimum sweldo ng casuals is 400 to 500 lang. Here in Atomy, 800. Pero maliit yan sa Atom yan. Now let's make it bigger. Yan. So pag naging agent ka, if you have accumulated 300,000 point value in the same scenario, 300,000 PV left and 300,000 PV right, you earn approximately 2,400 pesos. This can be monthly, can be weekly, or it can be daily. Depende sa pagtratrabaho natin sa Atomy. You want higher? Yes. Okay. If you have changed your brand, lahat ng gamit mo sa bahay mo ay pinalitan mo puro Atomy, at hindi ka na bumalik sa inyong old brand, and you have accumulated 700,000 personal PVs and 700,000 PV on left and 700,000 PV on your right, you earn approximately 5,000 pesos. Pinapalakpakan yan. Pwede itong maging araw-araw. Okay. Yan. Ito na yung income ceiling. If you have accumulated 2.4 million PV personal and you have accumulated, you have shared to a lot of friends already. Lahat ng mga relatives mo abroad ay na-sharean mo ng Atomy, and they have joined you into the Atomy business. You have accumulated 50,000 left and 50,000 right. You can earn approximately 60,000 pesos. And this can be daily. Imagine that. Okay. Ayan. Hindi lang yon, general commission lang yung mga nabanggit ko kanina. Now, meron pa tayong another way to earn in Atomy, and we call that the mastership bonus. In the government service, 2 hanggang 3 beses lang tayo nagbo-bonus, right? But here in Atomy, pwede tayong mag-bonus ng 24 times. Oh, imagine, 20% of the entire sales PV will be distributed according to mastership. And here in Atomy, we have 7 masterships. Now, please read the 7 masterships loud and clear. Ayan. Sino ang gustong ma-promote sa any mastership dito? Ayan. Okay. You can now choose your mastership. Mamaya makita nyo natin kung paano ma-promote yung mga nag-achieve niyan. So, the first step here or the first mastership here in Atomy is the sales master. How does one become a sales master? At least meron siyang personal PV na 700,000, and then nag-accumulate siya ng 2.5 million left and 2.5 million right. He or she will be promoted to sales master. Ano ang makukuha niya? Meron siyang incentive, product incentive na 1 box Hemohim, 1 box Dafame, and 1 box Evening Care Forset. Aside from the 40,000 more or less na kanyang matatanggap sa Atomy. And please, when you receive this, huwag po ninyong ibenta. Gamitin po natin to make us healthier and more beautiful para lalo tayong ma-encourage na ma-share ang Atomy sa lahat. The next mastership is Diamond Master. Dito ngayon, kailangan natin bayanihan system. Kailangan nating tulungan ang 2 active members natin sa left na magiging sales master and another 2 sales masters on the right And you will be promoted to Diamond Master, and you will earn more or less 80,000 pesos plus 1 box Hemohim, 1 set The Fame, and 1 set Evening Care, and a new brand laptop. How about that? Nagagamitin natin sa ating grupo sa pagne-network. And next is the Sharon Rose Master. As a Sharon Rose Master, you need again to help 2 Diamond Masters on your left and 2 Diamond Masters on your right. And you are now promoted to Sharon Rose Master. At meron kang 80,000 pesos cash award and a free trip to Jeju Island. Ayan, mga kasama namin last April 9 to 13, we enjoyed our trip in Jeju Island with our loved ones. And we have enjoyed it. And we want all of you to also achieve Sharon Rose Master position and enjoy the trip. And this is just a beginning of more trips in Atomy. Okay? Next, Star Master. To be promoted to Star Master, you have to help 2 Sharon Rose Master on your left and 2 Sharon Rose Masters on your right, and you are now promoted to Star Master. Ayan, medyo you are not twinkling star, sabi nila, no? Like Sir Ren. And you will receive a cash award of 400,000 pesos and free trip to what's this? Guam, I think to. I was told by Sir Eric, Japan ngayon. Ayan, pwede mong isama ang iyong biyanan. O, asawa mo, anak mo, at biyanan mo. Kasi 4 ito, di ba? Ayan. Ayan. And next mastership is Royal Master, like Ma'am Claire and our vision speaker today. To be promoted as Royal Master, kailangan natin ang 2 Star Masters sa left and 2 Star Masters sa right. And you get Royal Master promotion of 2 million pesos and an activity fee of at least 80,000 pesos para matulungan mo pa yung mga ibang partners mo. And again, another overseas travel voucher for 4 again. To where? To Guam, I think, or to Guam? To Europe. Yan, Europe daw ito. It's a cruise. And a car rental fee. Ayan, saan ka pa? Dito na sa Atomy. Next, Crown Master. To be promoted to Crown Master, kailangan mo ang 2 Royal Masters sa left and 2 Royal Masters on your right. And again, you get a Crown Master cash bonus of 12 million pesos. Ayan. And another 4 travel tickets, a cruise again. To Europe na naman, walang katapusang travel dito sa Atomy. Kaya dapat laging updated ang ating passport. Di ba? And an activity fee of 200,000 pesos per month. Ayan. And of course, the most coveted position, at ito ang hinahangad ng lahat ng mga Atomians, the last mastership in Atomy, an Imperial Master. Sino ang gustong mag-Imperial Master? Yes, everyone. You just simply promote 2 Crown Masters on your left, 2 Crown Masters on your right, and you are now promoted to Imperial Master. At makakatanggap ka ngayon ng tumataginting na 40 million pesos. Diba? Na naka-forklift. Another cruise, 12 days and 11 nights, overseas travel na naman. Wala talagang sawang pagta-travel. Para kang merong nunal sa talampakan, no? And a vehicle worth 2.5 million pesos. Ito po ay hindi hulugan. Bayad ito ni Atomy. Ayan. And another activity of 400,000 pesos per month. And meron kang office and a secretary na babayaran, pasusweldohan ni Atomy ng 60,000 pesos. By the way pala, doon sa car mo, meron ka pang driver. Hindi mo iuwi itong driver, ha? Ito po ay pasosweldohan ni Atomy ng 80,000 pesos. O, di ba? Napakaganda po talaga sa Atomy. Saan ka pa? Palakpakan po natin muli ang Atomy. Ayan. Now, dito sa Atomy, if you are going to total all the bonuses that you receive here in Atomy, from Sharon Rose Master up to Imperial Master, it's totaling to 54,480,000 pesos. Sa government service, wala kang matatanggap na ganito. Only here in Atomy. Ayan. Now, this is very interesting. If you look around, meron kayong makikita na mga Atomians na who are wearing these pins. And please, I tell you, pag nakakita kayo ng mga Atomians na merong pin na ganito, makipicture kayo sa kanila. Shrug your shoulders with successful Atomians. Because these are the Atomians who are worth emulating. Sila ang dapat nating tularan. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan. Leaders Club, Royal Leaders Club, and Crown Leaders Club. Ang Crown Leaders Club is earning an annual salary of 16 million or more a month. A year or a month? Annual para. A year. See? And everybody will be achieving this. Basta wag lang po tayong tumigil sa Atomy. Now, ano ang sekreto itong mga successful Atomians? Yan. Here in Atomy, lahat is revealed. All is revealed. There is no secret to success in Atomy. Ano ang gagawin natin? Lahat. Kaya nga natututo tayo kapag tayo ay laging umaattend sa mga regional seminars, webinars, success academies, one-day seminars. Kailangan natin ito para tayo ay magtagumpay sa Atomy. No? Huwag po tayong, lalo na yung mga networkers, sabi nila, alam ko na yan, paulit-ulit na lang. Pero here in Atomy, if you plug yourself into the system, there's no reason for you not to be successful in Atomy. Right? Now, kanina sabi ni Ma'am Christian, may I ask everyone to stand up now? Lahat tumayo. Ang hindi tumayo, hindi maging Imperial Master. Ayan. Okay. Now, may I ask you, what is the slogan of our company, Atomy, this 2025? Words over matter. So now, let us declare, I am destined to succeed in Atomy. Together, we can do it. Okay. Now, let's say this 3 times. First, loud, louder, and loudest. Okay, can we do it? Yes. Kailangan very emphatic, okay? Let's do this. 3 times, okay? In 3. In Atomy. Together, we can do it. I am destined to succeed in Atomy. Together, we can do it. And loudest. I am destined to succeed in Atomy. Together, we can do it. Okay. Thank you very much. This is Sharon Rose Master Helen H. Ercilia from San Jose CAP Center.
Thank you so much, Sharon.